Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I am going to show you guys this super easy fried chicken recipe. If you find the video helpful, please leave a like for me because that helps a lot. Also subscribe if you're new here, and let's get started. All right, guys, here are the ingredients. I will have them listed down below for you guys with the measurement. For the chicken, I'm using chicken tenderloins because they're nice and juicy. Do not use chicken breast. Try these. Perfect for this recipe. And for the seasoning, I'm using paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, white pepper, black pepper, thyme, and some seasoned salt. Also, I have some minced garlic, parsley, hot sauce, and butter. You notice there's some more seasoning. I will have all that down below for you guys. And also we have club soda to make this nice and crunchy. And also I am using 1 egg. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. And these two big bowls here, they have all-purpose flour in them. I will have all the measurement below, so definitely check that out. To begin, I am going to start by seasoning the chicken. Now, I am going to drizzle about 2 tablespoons of oil on the chicken. Then we're going to take our dry seasoning, mix it together. I like to mix the seasoning before I add it to the protein. I feel like it's better when you do it that way. So we're just going to mix that with a fork. Then we're going to generously season the chicken. Okay, do not hold back. This is your chicken. Now make sure you season it well. Once you are done seasoning your chicken, you're going to set that aside. Moving on, I am taking one of the bowl that has the flour in it. I am going to season the flour. I'm using the exact same seasoning that I use for the chicken. Okay, the exact same seasoning. Just pour that in and stir it together. Now I'm going to crack the egg right in, just like so. And now I am going to pour in my club soda. Okay, this is the key right here to make your chicken super flaky, giving you that Popeye's chicken effect. So pour that in, stir it together. The batter is full of flavor with all that seasoning. Oh, I forgot to add the hot sauce. Just pour that in. Yo, I don't know how I forgot to add the hot sauce because you have to have that sour spiciness in there. Meanwhile, I am heating up my oil. I'm using peanut oil for this recipe. You can also use canola oil as well. So I am going to let that reach a temperature of 350. Then it's go time, baby. I am taking my chicken. I am going to place that into the batter. Allow the excess batter to drain. Once you are done, you are going to place it into the plain flour. No need to season this flour because literally you won't need to season it. If you want to, go ahead, but it's not going to make or break this dish. Now I'm going to slowly, gently add the chicken to my hot oil. Now I'm going to fry the chicken for about 6 to 7 minutes. Once they are done, take a good look, y'all. Just take a good look. Now I'm going to finish frying the remaining of the tenders. Once I'm done, I'll show you guys what to do next. But you see what I'm doing right here? Make sure to remove any crumbs that might be in your oil, because once they start cooking and burning, it will definitely turn the oil a nasty color and your tenders will come out looking not as pretty, okay? Now once I'm done, these are the tenders, nice and flaky and golden brown, of course. Now I'm getting ready to make some garlic parmesan sauce, okay? So first thing I am going to do is take some butter. I'm using unsalted butter. Of course, you can use salted butter. Once that is nice and melted, you are going to add your garlic. Now I'm going to cook the garlic for about 30 seconds until they started to fragrance. Next, you are going to add in some fresh parsley, okay? This is optional, by the way, the parsley, but it will add some flavor to this sauce. Now, once you are done, right after you add the parsley, you are going to add the cheese. As soon as you add your cheese, turn off your stove. The sauce is over. The sauce is done. Now, if you like it with super garlicky, with that garlic breath, you can use real garlic. I'm using pre-made garlic, of course, but of course you can use real garlic. I didn't have any, I didn't use any, but if you do, be my guest, use it. Now once I'm done, here you have the perfect fried chicken recipe at home. How easy was that recipe? I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Please, 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 if you did, don't forget to show that by leaving a like on this video and also leave a comment. These tenders were so flavorful and super flaky and crunchy. Definitely restaurant quality. You have to try this out for your family. Also, if you're new to my channel, please join the family by hitting the subscribe button. I will see you all on the next recipe. Bye, guys.